Hey, let me show you unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G from the European distribution. So first of all, let's quickly take a look on the box. On the left side, we've got the name of our device. On the right side, nothing. And on the back, nothing interesting, just some specification, but maybe there's like one thing. As you can see in this smartphone, we actually don't have the charger. And the recommended charger is actually from 10 to 25 watts. So now let's go inside. I'll try to gently remove these seals from the top and also from the bottom. There we go. And now at the bottom we've got the second one, or maybe we don't even have to actually. So this is it. Now from this we can actually find the USB-C cable. Right here we can find the quick start guide. So user manual, nothing interesting. And right here we can find the smartphone. And right here there's also the SIM tool. And that's all. And now let's take a look on our device. This is actually the most interesting part. There we go. So that's how it looks in the front. As you can see, it actually doesn't comes with any protection. There's like no any foil on the screen. On the right side we can find the power button linked with the fingerprint sensor, two volume buttons. On the back, okay, we got actually really nice design. It looks pretty cool. This is actually made out of the plastic, but the design looks really nice. At the bottom we can find speaker, USB-C port, microphone, headphone jack. On the left side we've got the SIM slot, and at the top another microphone. Let's take a look if we can actually input two SIM cards. We can input one and two SIM cards, yeah, and even we can input the memory card. So let's turn on the screen. Let's see how it looks. Of course, we've got the three cameras on the back and one camera at the top. Now we got the Samsung logo on the screen, secured by Knox. So as you can see in this smartphone, we actually cannot find headphones, charger, and for example this silicone protective case. Unfortunately there's nothing here. And if you wonder about some comparison, so here I have for example the Galaxy A35 5G. Now we've got this loading animation, and there it is. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you are looking for more videos about this device, just go into my channel, open the search engine and input the phrase Galaxy M15 5G. I will actually record a lot of different videos about this smartphone. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.